How to play the E flat major chord on piano. The notes of the E flat major chord are E flat, G, and B flat. This is the E flat major chord. There are three ways to play this chord. You can play it in its root position like this, where E flat is at the bottom, G is in the middle, and B flat is at the top. Or you can choose to play it in its first inversion, where G is at the bottom, B flat is in the middle, and E flat is at the top. This is the first inversion of the E flat major chord. The third way to play the E flat major chord is in its second inversion. In the second inversion, B flat is at the bottom, E flat is in the middle, and G is at the top. An E flat major chord in its root position, first inversion, and second inversion. You now know how to play the E flat major chord on piano. Thank you so much for watching, and give the video a thumbs up. My name is Manchester Kasaba. This is the Piano Keyboard Guide YouTube channel. Thank you so much and all the best.